What are you doing? Are you outside? Outside? Yeah. It's raining, huh? Are you going to go play in the rain? She's so funny. She brought me some shoes to put on. We went to go put them on her, and they were too small. She already outgrew some of the shoes. She just outgrows shoes so fast. So I grabbed these because they were a size bigger. And honestly, I still think that they're kind of small on her. Because she got fat feet. Yeah. Whoops. Hello. You are so good at catching yourself. The camera makes it look like you're going bald in some places. She looks like she's got bald spots and she doesn't. Are you having a good time? You like to be outside, don't you? She just likes to come out here and just walk on the sidewalk. She's starting to get a little adventurous. Oh, yay! What are you going to do? What you going to do? Your back turned to me? She fell down. She got her booty all dirty. Now she doesn't want to go back in the grass. Where you going? Where you going? Get back here. Liliana, that's too far. Come on. Come on.